Alright guys, so first what I did is I tried to run the AMD setup file or the exe file, but as soon as I open it, this error pops up saying access is denied and I cannot install anything. Now, this is not a normal version mismatch issue. This is happening because Windows is actually blocking the installer itself. So the file is extracted, but it cannot run because of permission or security. So don't worry, the fix is very simple. What you need to do is go to your local disk C or wherever your AMD files are stored, and here you will see a folder called AMD. Open it and inside you will see a lot of files and folders like this, as you can see on the screen. Now what we need to do is delete this entire AMD folder. But when you try to delete it, you might get another error saying the action cannot be completed because the folder or a file is open in another program. So to fix that, just open Task Manager, and here you need to find anything related to AMD or Radeon software. Select them and click on End Task. Once you close all of them, go back and try to delete the AMD folder again, and now you can see it deletes successfully. After that, just run your setup file again, and this time you can see the installer is starting properly. Initializing install is showing percentage and no more error. And yeah, that's it guys. That's how you fix this issue. Very simple and quick.